Hi, welcome back to the Shropshire Kitchen Garden. And today we're in the herb garden. And what I've got here, there's a whole lot of pots just outside the kitchen. It makes it very easy to grab the herbs easily when we're cooking. Now, what happens with the herbs is they tend to colonise their whole pot. So I'm taking them out of their pot, cutting them down and repotting them. So just to give you an example, down here, this is part of a mint plant. You can see I've taken it out of the pot already. And I've cut it in half, literally with a saw. Cut it in half and then quartered it again, and then I've repotted it. That'll grow beautifully. Now I'm going to do the same thing now with the rest of the herbs. I've already done the rosemary, chives, lemon balm. I've not done the bigger rosemary or the sage this year. I did both of those last year. So let's get on. We're going to do the thyme now. So you can see it's all just getting a bit straggly here. It's also got some weeds growing in with it. I should be able to just pull that out. You see the mess of roots there. Just completely colonised the pot. So I'm going to cut that in half. Remove any of these roots, these weeds. And I'm going to reduce it in depth a bit. And then we can literally just put that in a new pot. Put a bit of soil around it, compact it in. And then I'll give that a good water, and then that should be perfect. Now the other things I've got growing in the herb garden here, I've got some parsley. Now I grew these as seeds inside. A couple of months ago they germinated, and they've been in individual pots in the polytunnel for the last couple of months. I've also done over here, this is some mint, literally supermarket mint. It was in a small little pot, and I've repotted it on, and that'll be a wonderful plant. I've also ordered some tarragon, some French tarragon. It's very, very difficult to get hold of. But it should come in little plugs, and we'll be able to plant them out in 2 or 3 weeks' time. So I'll show you that next time on the Shropshire Kitchen Garden. Goodbye.